Hi kids, a quick review of where we are right now. We've talked about variables, and we say the word variable is because it varies. The values of variables they change. Okay, that's why they're called variables, and we define them as containers, like containers that hold data. Okay, and they have a label. So in the case of where we say x equals to 20, basically for this container, the x is the container, okay, and the 20 is the sugar, okay. And we've talked about types of variables, and we just focused on numbers only, okay. We said just like animals, we have types of animals like dog, cow, sheep, goat. The same, we have types for variables, and there are many, but we'll go step by step. There's no need to list all of them right now, okay. So we talked about numbers, and inside numbers we have mainly integers and floats. So that is the recap. If you are confused at this point, I recommend that you go back to that video and watch it, okay. But for this session, I wanted to give you an assignment that I would like you to do, and this is the assignment. We're going to define a number of variables that will be represent a shopping list. So you need to define variables that will represent a shopping list, and this is my shopping list. I have sugar that is worth 200 shillings. I have milk that is worth 300. I have bread that's worth 50 shillings. I have water that is worth 200 shillings, okay. And then I have I want about 7 items, okay. What else can I add? I have let's go to the grocery. Let's go to bananas that are worth 150. Then I have oranges that are worth 210 shillings. So I want you to define this as variables and be able to do a sum of all these items. How much will it cost? Will this shopping list cost you? So it's like you're doing budgeting, okay. So we'll have what you call total. Total is what represents everything, the sum of everything. So the sum, this you'll do it as a line in the code, okay, where if you have defined this variable. So I'm giving you a spoiler. If you have defined this variable as sugar equals to 200, milk equals to 300, and so forth, okay, your total will be sugar plus milk plus bread plus the rest, okay. And then I want you to print out first the total. Print out the total, okay. Hint, you just print total, okay. That's the hint. That's a hint, okay. And then I want you to, as a bonus, I want you to print out a very pretty print out the whole shopping list. You can print out the way it's written here. That's okay. Okay, or you can make it prettier by something like this. This is for bonus points. Okay, so what did you have? Sugar, milk, bread. Okay, so I want you to put like a title here, say LKC shopping list. Then do dashes. You can find actually a hack of doing these dashes. If you find that, more power to you, but you can just type each one of them. So sugar, milk, bread. So I want you to do this sugar and put dots until a particular place, maybe column, and say this is sugar was 200. Okay, and then milk, bread, milk 3, milk, dot, what? How much was milk? 300. Bread, okay, and the rest. Okay, and the rest, and then you put another full dashes here, and here you say total, dots, you calculate that total. Okay, so, and you can finish off with maybe stars if you want, like the way a receipt looks when you go to the supermarket. Okay, also you could start with some dots up here, or rather the stars, sorry, asterisks. Okay, this is for bonus points. You don't have to do this, but this is for bonus points. Over to you. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.